Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you Globlinker Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot router review. So you might be wondering, what is Globlinker's portable Wi-Fi here? So Globlinker is a portable Wi-Fi hotspot designed to provide mobile internet access without requiring a physical SIM card, contract, or monthly subscription. Now, according to the official website here, it uses cloud SIM technology to automatically connect to the strongest available mobile network in your area, allowing you to access the internet in the United States in more than 130 countries. Now, the company states that this device supports activities such as web browsing, video calls, streaming, remote work, and online navigation. Now, according to the manufacturer here, the hotspot works by using Cloud SIM AI technology, which scans supported mobile carriers and automatically selects the strongest available signal instead of relying on a single carrier or a physical SIM card. The company states that the device can switch between available networks and signal conditions change, helping maintain connectivity while traveling. The hotspot creates a private Wi-Fi network that is compatible with that compatible devices can join, similarly connecting to a home's wireless router. Now, using globe linkers is straightforward here. So you just need to charge and power on your device, wait for it to connect to a mobile network automatically, and on your phone, tablet, or laptop, or other Wi-Fi enabled device, open the Wi-Fi settings, connect to the Globe Linkers network, and using the provided credentials. According to the manufacturer, every device includes like 10 gigabyte of starter data, along with 20 gigabyte of free data each month for life as part of the eligible promotional offers. Now, if the additional data is needed, prepaid data packages can be purchased through the company's customer portal without requiring a subscription or long-term contract. Yeah, official website here states that Hotspot offers like up to like 15 hours battery life on a full charge and can connect up to like 8 devices simultaneously. Although some pages on the website mention support for up to like 16 devices here, so the company also advertised features including automatic network switching, global coverage in over 130 countries, lifetime warranty, and 60-day money back guarantee. The device is currently listed at per promotion price like around 165, discounted from the original like 275 dollars as it's right now. Although pricing and promotions may change over time, so you may want to check their website for the specific price. So yeah, that's what essentially the Globe Linker is, or the portable Wi-Fi here. So doing your own research, or if you're interested with a product, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is always recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision, especially for anything that you are buying online. So this applies for anything or everything that you're buying. But that's about it. As far as video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.